oil paintings of dancers lining up to arabesque. And life is nothing but gray turned to snow. Before what had seemed to be memoirs of cobalt blue turned warm, I went on my journey to find the missing puzzle pieces, that is, of who I am. Until I have yet to begin my journey, falling through parades of truth, love, happiness. But like the journey, it is forgotten. What they don't know is what they'd like to know. The love, the truth. Blind me so I can see what is real. Happiness beyond my fingertips, I create my own parade with warm hearts and humanic beauty. When the sunshine glistening on her skin, you want to know who she is. So do I. Me being in her shadows makes life endearing. And when I look at her, she looks back at me. Child of God, student of life, who am I? None of your concern. What am I? I am the colors blending. The cold cobalt blue emerged to warm peaches and salmons, shades and hues. I am the reflection of love. I am the truth. I am the happiness. I am the next universe. I am autumn leaves. I am oak mahoganies. My own private symphony. Who is she? I, in her shadow. When I look at her, she looks back at me. In my direction, what appears to be the creation of a new kind, of astonishing contour, shaping, forming. I in her shadows. She looks back at me. Through the glass, she smiles. What am I? I am your journey.